Hello friends, welcome to file handling session part 2. To rename a file, you have to use os library. So import os and os.rename. That's all. Old file name, new file name. With the file path what you have. So this I just copied and I pasted here. And here this is the file name what I had, kenu.txt, comma. Again paste the same path. You have to change the name as ram. So for now I will show you in my PyCharm. See, I have a file named ram.txt, right? So let's go back. The actual file name here what I have is ram.txt is what I have already. I wanted to change this into sam. Okay, sam.txt, done. So if you go back here, not here, PyCharm, see, ram is changed into sam.txt. Okay, so this is how you can rename a file in Python. You just have to use os library and import os.rename. This is how you can rename a file. Next concept is to check a file is opened or not. I told you in the initial of this video only, if you open a file you have to close it. So to check whether the file is opened or not, you can use close function. Okay, so you can use a file name. I'm just using, see, I'm just showing you a demo. File equal to, I opened in a W mode. It's a new file I have created. So I'm just checking whether the file is closed or not. False. Why? Because I just opened here. So it is false. Now I'm closing the file. File.close. Okay, I run the code and print file.closed or not. I'm checking now. Now it is showing as a true because I closed here. So using this close function, you can check whether the file is closed or opened. Right? Next one is mode. You're opening a file in W mode or W plus mode, anything. So if you wanted to check in which mode you're opening a file, just type file.mode. The name which you're referring to. So file.mode you can give, it will show in which mode you have opened the file. And the next one is file.name. You wanted to know the file name, means you can use this file.name so that you will get to know what is the file name if at all you're not aware. Right? So we have seen read and write in Python in file handling, and then rename the file, and then whether the file is opened or not, and mode of the file name. This all we have seen. So now we will see file pointer. What is file pointer means? Whenever you open a file, whenever you have some content in your file, see where the cursor is landed. That is called as file pointer. Okay. So I will give you a demo about file pointer here. FO, I am using a random name, equal to open.hello.txt in read binary mode. You can use read binary mode or read mode, anything that you want. When you are using read mode, for now let me keep it as a read mode only. Okay, hello.txt I'm opening in a read mode. I just created a few minutes back. So fo.read, what is there inside the read? Hello.txt. So here is the file. Python course is what I have written. Okay, so let me hide every line here. If I run this code, it will show Python course. Okay, I am going to read this once again. Print fo.read. See, nothing comes. No, wait. See, output is nothing. But I have something inside the file. Why this is happening means, when you give read for the first time, it read all the content what is present inside. So cursor moved here. Afterwards, nothing. It's empty. So that is the reason it's giving nothing as a empty. As this is the result. So if I hide this line, okay, see, it will show now Python course. I hope you understand now. Okay. So now to check, we can move the cursor using the seek. So in file objects, two different methods are available. One is seek method and the other one is tell method. Okay. So seek method is used to move the cursor wherever you wanted to. And there are three types are available in seek method. One thing is that you can seek, like you can move your cursor from left side to right side, wherever you want. For that you have to use 0. And if you want to move from left side to right side, you have to use 2. Our third method is you have to use 1. So this will help you to move the cursor from wherever it has already landed. Say for example, it's here. If you wanted to move right side, then you can use 1. I'll show you a demo here. Okay. So I'm mentioning fo.seek 5, 0. Okay. So cursor moved to the 5th place now. So I'm going to read that where my cursor is there. So let me remove one line here. See, I just used the seek function to make sure the cursor is in the 0th position. Okay, so now I'm reading it. It says the complete content what is present inside my file. Okay, so let me hide this line now, and let me show you the demo here only. I'm changing it to 3, 0, which means 3 letters from the left side. 1, 2, 3. So if I run this code, see, first 3 letters are gone. It is displaying from the 4th letter. So this is how you can use the seek method from left to right.